why I came here now. I came to warn you to stay away from me. Stop embarrassing me.
Sister, fine, let me tell you. See, things have changed.
I hate you. You can't even afford me. Look at me very well. It's me that you take care of.
It's not MC that I used to know. See, I've changed.
You are too poor and broke for my liking. I hate poverty.
This is not MC J that you need to, like, you used to know. What the fuck? You're impressing me.
Wait,
You're embarrassing me.
Wait, shut up. I'm still talking. You've not made anything. Do you know how much this shirt is? Do you know?
Are you okay?
Stop.
Are you mad?
Begin.
Like, who do you think you are? Short guy with anger issue. You are short. That's why you have all this anger issue. No, it's a